Hop on. This is Tenny, our parrot. As you can see, he's a good boy. But, see, he's a good boy. See? Say hello. He's a male, yellow-sided green cheek corner parrot. You can see, look at him. Say hello. Tenny, steady. Look. See? He's a beautiful male, yellow-sided, green cheek corner parrot. So, see? And that's my mom watching, and that's his cage. I'm not gonna get a female, so I'm gonna keep updates. So, say goodbye, Tenny. Tenny, say goodbye. Gonna hold it. Tenny. Let's back. Hop on. You can see Tenny kind of angry right now. Look, put my finger, go away. Okay, see, this is Tenny, full examinations, red tail, green wings, see, bye.
Gracias por la transmisión de estas 3 emisoras de Radio Taca 102.5.